Hey guys, so for the second part of our lesson today, we're going to talk about how we use negative numbers specifically in bar graphs. This bar graph shows income for Crash Bang Entertainment for a 6-month period. How is this bar graph different from other bar graphs that we've seen? I would point out that the bar graph here has a 0 in the middle. This bar graph shows bars above and below the 0, and this line represents the income of $0. In September, December, and February, the company made money. These bars are above the 0 line. What do you think it means when a bar is below the 0 line? The bars below the 0 line indicate when the company lost money. So Crash Bang lost money in October, November, and January. The numbers above the 0 line show a profit or a positive cash flow. So there's money going in. The numbers below the 0 line show a loss or a negative cash flow. They are losing money. Crash Bang went from a $7 million profit in September to a $5 million loss in October. Using positive and negative integers in a bar graph helps us use this kind of data. Alright, pretty short for today, guys. Thanks for listening to both videos. Have a great night.